Okay, another simple video here. I'm going to show you how to remove foot pegs on your motorcycle. This is the same for all of them. Essentially, you've got this pin that just goes all the way through. There is a cotter pin right here, and you just simply, I wouldn't recommend reusing these, but I've done it before. Oops. Well, if I can get a hold of it here. There we go. Simply straighten out the pin on either side. I'm trying to work around the camera here, so kind of up and over it. There we go. About time. Kind of tap it down and pull it out. There you go. Take your mallet or what have you. Hold the peg down, because it does have tension on it. So watch for that. It might jump a little on you. There you go. Here's how to remove a foot peg. Same side, or the other side is the exact same way. Really easy, nothing to it. So, there you go. Told you to be quick. Longest part is getting that cotter pin out. Okay. Please feel free to post questions, comments, rate and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.